So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get into this screen, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. Repeat this 3 times and then it will take you into this screen. So you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. Turn it off again quickly, turn it back on again, repeat this 3 times, then it will take you into this screen. It's going to say that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options. And now it's going to take us into this screen. So for the first method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then click on Startup Repair. Now it's going to diagnose your PC, see if this fixes your problem. If that did not work for the second method, you want to click on Advanced Options, Troubleshoot, Advanced Options again, and then you want to click on System Restore. If you do not see System Restore, you want to click on See More Recovery Options, then it should appear right here. So you want to click on System Restore. If you have a restore point already created on your computer, you want to click on Next, and then go back to your restore point, and then hopefully I'll fix your problem. If you do not have a restore point, then you want to click on Cancel. And now for the third method, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Uninstall Updates. You want to uninstall the latest feature updates. And then click on Uninstall Feature Update. See if that works for you. If not, you want to click on Close, Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. Now we're going to type in C:, click on Enter. And now you're going to type in cd space / Windows / System32 / config and click on Enter. And now you're going to type in md space backup, click on Enter. And now you're going to type in copy space *** space backup, click on Enter again. And now you're going to type in cd space regback, click on Enter. And now you're going to type in copy space *** space .. click on Enter. And now you're going to type in A, click on Enter. And now you're going to close out a command prompt and then continue to Windows, and then the problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed for the last method, you're going to click on Troubleshoot, reset this PC. You could either keep your files or remove everything. If you have your files backed up, then you're going to click on Remove Everything. If you don't, then click on Keep My Files and then just reset your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.